Hey everyone, how you doing? It's me, Tim. Doing this video just to let you know what we got from the severe weather that hit us this afternoon here in Michigan. What we only got was rain, high winds, and lightning in my area. I don't know where else got it worse, but I was seeing some posts on Facebook that up there in a town called Grand Rapids, Michigan. They had it worse up there, and I've seen somebody post there's some trees down in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and I don't know about my area where I live at. I haven't heard anything about my area, but other areas really got hit. Really got hit. So, just letting you know that our lights did flicker for a little bit. Our lights did flicker for a little bit, but I guess our airport where I'm at, they reported that winds got up to 70 miles an hour. Yes, 70 miles an hour. So, those winds were wicked. Yes, those winds were wicked. Yes. But letting you know I'm okay and everything. We survived. We survived. My area survived. Yes, my area survived. But just letting y'all know, keeping you updated, and say prayers for the people in Illinois. I've seen devastating tornadoes that hit over there from the storm that we got. I'm glad no tornadoes hit us because we don't have a basement where we live. But please, again, say prayers for the people in Illinois that got hit by a tornado today. And I've seen some pictures of that, and man, that was devastating. That was devastating. So please, everyone out there, again, just say a prayer for the people in Illinois and well, all over that's getting hit by the storm. Well, y'all take it easy and God bless. And thanks for watching.